Hi everyone, this video is special to 1000 subscribers. Now we have a great math problem which is I have never seen on YouTube. Sin x plus cosine x equals to 2. How should we solve this question? Now let's begin. We know that a power ix equals to cosine x plus I sin x. And if we find e power negative I times x, this is equals to cosine negative x plus I times sine negative x, and this is equal to cosine x, because cosine is even function and sine is odd function, and for this reason sine negative x should equal to negative sine x times I. And now add and subtract these two equations, and we find sine x is equal to e power ix minus e power negative ix over 2I, and cosine x is equal to e power ix plus e power negative ix over 2. And let's put this above. E power ix plus e power negative ix over 2 plus e power ix minus e power negative ix over 2I is equal to 2. Then, if we multiply this equation with 2I, we have e times e power ix plus e power negative ix plus e power ix minus e power negative ix is equal to 4 times I. This is quadratic equation, and here e times e power ix plus e times e power negative ix plus e power ix minus e power negative ix is equal to 4 times I. And then e power ix is common, and here e power ix, we may take it out of the brackets. E power ix times 1 plus I plus I power negative ix is common at here, and we may take it out of the brackets. E power negative ix times 1 I minus 1 is equal to 4 times I. And if we multiply both sides of our equation with e power ix, e power 2ix times I plus 1 plus I minus 1 is equal to 4I times e power ix. And this is quadratic equation. E power 2 times ix times I plus 1 minus 4 times I times e power ix plus I minus 1 equals to 0. And if we think that I power e power ix is equal to y, then we have y squared times I plus 1 minus 4 times I times y plus I minus 1 is equal to 0. We have the formula for the quadratic equation. y1 and 2 is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac over 2a, and I calculate it, and y1 and 2 is equal to, our y1 is equal to 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 plus 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 times I, and our y2 is equal to 2 minus square root of 2 over 2 plus 2 minus square root of 2 over 2 times I. This is our y1 and y2, which is y is equal to I power e power ix. Am I right? Now, what should we do? E power ix is equal to this ones. E power ix is equal to 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 plus 2 plus square root of 2 over 2I, and here e power ix equals to 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 plus 2 plus square root of 2 over 2I. I'm sorry, this is negative and this is negative. Now let's find x from here. If we ln both sides, ln e power ix equals to ln this, and here I times x times ln e is equal to ln 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 times 1 plus I. And we know that ln e is equal to 1, then e power x equals to ln 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 plus ln 1 plus I. At here, multiple is equal to, we should add 2 ln. And x equals to ln 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 plus over I plus ln 1 plus I over I. I guess it's okay. Now we should find ln 1 plus I. ln 1 plus I. How should we find this? We know from complex analysis that ln z, it means the ln of complex number, is equal to ln the module of z plus I times theta, which is argument z, plus 2 pi n, which is n belongs to integers. And now let's find ln 1 plus I. ln 1 plus I is equal to, firstly we should find the module of this complex number, which is equal to 2, because if z is equal to x plus y times I, module z is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. And here ln square root of 2 plus I times theta. What is theta? Now let's find theta. This is cosine axis and this is sine axis, or this is real numbers and this is imaginary numbers. 1 and I. Am I right, or 1? This angle is 45 degrees, which is pi over 4. And here I times pi over 4 plus 2 pi n, and n belongs to integers. Now let's put it above. X is equal to ln I times x is equal to ln 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 plus ln square root of 2 plus I times pi over 4 plus 2 pi n, and which is n belongs to integers. And we may find, of course, x from here. If we divide it by I, this equation, with I. X is equal to ln 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 times square root of 2 plus pi over 4, of course here over I, plus 4 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n, and n belongs to integers. Now what's that? We should find this fraction numerator and denominator with I. X is equal to negative I times ln, this is equal to 2 square root of 2 plus 2 over 2 plus pi over 4 plus 2 pi n, and n belongs to integers, and x is equal to negative I times ln square root of 2 plus 1 and also negative 1 plus pi over 4 plus 2 pi n, and n belongs to integers. Our final answer is x1 and 2. x1 and 2 is equal to negative I times ln square root of 2 plus minus 1 plus pi over 4 plus 2 pi n, and n belongs to integers. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumbs up my video.